Got this on Amazon. We use this on multiple pairs of Uggs. All the girls got new Uggs for Christmas. Very expensive shoes, and you don't want to wear them outside when they're wet. And we use this to coat them. My wife actually did it, and my daughter, and it worked completely fine. When you first spray it, it's pretty nerve-wracking because it looks like you ruined the shoe. So spray them, follow directions. I think it's like 12 inches away, they say. And then just like walk away, just like leave them, And you come back, they dry, they actually look pretty good. You kind of wipe them down, polish them a little bit, and they look fine. So they didn't stain, we didn't have any issues at all. One of my daughters did literally the day of Christmas drop eggs all over her brand new Uggs, and of course they had oil, so that kind of got stuck and on there before we got to protect it. And after we sprayed, it basically kind of looked the same. It didn't make it, when you first sprayed it, it made it look way worse, but then it just went back to the way it looked before. So we cleaned the Uggs with baking soda, I think. But anyway, this stuff, we had any issues with it, at least with Uggs.